I've been growing with the money since young money. Many bitches want it all, can't get nothing from me. Ay, baby, hello, make it wiggle like jello. I like them yellow, thick, black, and ghetto. Ay, stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. Ay, stick out your tongue, can a nigga have some? Ay, stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. It's your birthday, can a nigga get you some? Ay, stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun.
So my uncle got me this $60 Crooks&CASTLES t-shirt, but because it's too big, and of course I'm doing remakes of oversized t-shirts, I'm going to go ahead and turn this into a dress. Now I will need the chalk to outline a previous dress that I already have so that I can cut out the print and pin it to sew it. Now, my sewing machine, you will see me finally get it fixed, finally working. Broke 2 needles and then it overheated on me, so I will be doing most of this by hand. You will see me revamp it because the dress, the material of the shirt is silk. It doesn't really stretch, so I end up turning it into a 2-piece. It's a long story, y'all, but if you stay tuned, if you are new, click download, like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. If you are an original, I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing, and I hope to see you guys in more upcoming videos of mine. I will be doing a lot of DIYs coming soon because I am working on self-branding and trying to get a clothing line started for next year. So, with that being said, I'm going to outline this, cut it out, pin it, and just show you guys the process because it's too much and it's super hot. This summer is hot, I'm telling y'all. I put this on hold for a week and it got hotter, which I should have did a week ago. But I'm gonna get it out the way. Now this right here is for if you want sleeves. I did use these, but then I end up taking them off, so this is not a needed process if you do not want sleeves, especially for the summertime. So let's get into it.
Like this, can you hit it like this?
So bad, my so real. I ride in it's a big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, burn out flip like 10 car wheels. Hold that, give raw chills. 10 different looks and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Eat in the car, that's me on some wheels.
Can you make it jump? Can you make it jump?
Now I did pin it and then had to unpin it because I forgot to fold the fabric the opposite way before I pin it. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start to sew this puppy together.
I got pants in the coop, touch it, I'll shoot. I got pants in the coop, bustin' at the roof. I got pants in the coop.
Now I have not used this in years. My mom bought this when I was 16. I set it up when I was 20 and never used it. And I am 31 as of 2 days ago. So this is June 6, 2019. My birthday is June 4th, 1988. So as y'all can see, I had this over 15 years and I've only used it once. But I set it up, I got the needles to work, I broke 2 of them, and it was still not trying to be my friend today, so I ended up doing everything by hand. And I took those sleeves that you just saw off because I ended up not wanting them.
Can you hit it like this? Like this? Can you hit it like this?
So bad, my so real. I ride in it's a big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, burn out flip like 10 car wheels. Hold that, give raw chills. 10 different looks and my looks so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills.
Now it would have been a very cute dress, but the material does not stretch, so it would not work for me. And I cut it into a 2-piece, and then I just cut slits into it so that it can be a tie-up. And you guys will see how that turns out. Now my butt has doubled over the years and the fabric will not go all the way around. So I used the sleeves, I cut them back open and I put them in a triangular shape so that it can put extra fabric onto the skirt, and this is how it turned out once I put the slits in it, and everything fits perfectly. But as you can see, I'm going to take this top off. I have a zipper that unzips on the side, and then I will need to put elastic in the top or kind of tighten the top because it's loose around my stomach area and I want it high waist, so I have to fix that. But other than that, this is the finished look and I hope you guys like it. So like I said, this is it without the shirt underneath, and it fits pretty good. I just have to tighten around the waist area, and then that's it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and tell somebody to subscribe as well. I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. Toodles.
I've been growing with the money since young money. Many bitches want it all, can't get none from me. Ay, baby, hello, make it wiggle like jello. I like 'em yellow, thick, black, and ghetto. Ay, stick out your tongue, girls wanna have fun. Stick out your tongue, can a nigga have